another video. And first of all, I want to say thank you guys so much for 1K on TikTok. Like, that's just insane. And that happened a while back, but I did not make a YouTube video because I didn't have time and I was really busy. But now that I'm not busy, but I will soon be in May again, I will make sure to upload more consistently now. That's gonna be summer, and I've been, for the past months, I'm posting consistently on TikTok, so you can go like follow me there if you want, like me posting like regularly on there, like 3 to 4 times a day. And I do like a lot of trends and like coloring tutorials and stuff like that for you. Right now, my coloring that I have is you can only do that on Apple devices, but I'm going to make a separate video on Android colorings. So yeah, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make, well, I also did change my channel name, but today I'm just going to be showing you guys how to make like your aesthetic sounds on just using CapCut and YouTube without using iMovie, because a lot of like the sound stuff now you have to do it on your CapCut because it has like a lot of good features. I thought if you're using CapCut and all, you don't need, then since you can make sounds on CapCut, then why have iMovie? But you do need YouTube for your sounds, and they're completely free. Just screen record them like I am right here. So first, what you want to do is go into YouTube and you want to search up a song of your choice. I did Life Goes On. And then you want to search up iced coffee at ASMR, or like just coffee making in general. And then you want to do aesthetic sounds. No copyright, because it's copyrighted. You're going to get copyrighted on your TikTok sound. So make sure they're not. And make sure it's no talking. And then you're just going to want to include typing, and if you want to include ice making, ice cubes falling, you can do that, but I don't usually include that because usually my coffee ASMR, they're usually ice droppings. Yeah. So once you've screen recorded them, like I'm doing right now, let's say I want to use this one. There's like completely a lot to choose from, so I wanted to do this one. So I'm going to be screen recording like this. Like basically I would screen record like that, and then I'll just screen record until I feel like that is enough like amount to make a sound. I would stop recording, and once I've stopped recording, I will go ahead and do all the other sounds of the screen recording. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to, oh yeah, by the way, if you want to, like, I don't know how it works on Samsung or like any Android device, how to screen record, but I'm pretty sure you have to turn it on in settings. So like go to settings and like make sure your screen recording is on, and I'm pretty sure it's also in control center. I don't know because I don't have an Android. Yeah, so then you want to go into CapCut. So once you've like finished like screen recording all of it, you're going to go into CapCut, press on new project, and you want to put your main song. Like my main song is like Life Goes On. That's the song I'm going to do. So yeah, next I'm going to be adding all the screen recordings. I'm going to add audio. I'm going to press on extract, and I'm going to do this in all random order because I don't know. So first I'm going to do the non-copyrighted aesthetic no talking video, and then I'm just going to like chop it off like right here. That's like where the sound ends, so you don't want it. So yeah, and then I'm going to press on extract again, and by this is completely free and anyone can download CapCut, even if you're an Android. So I'm going to press on the keyboard. Here. There we go. Okay, I guess you have to shorten it no more. Just going to like adjust some right now. Like, so I'm gonna speed this part up where I like So like there's some like when I'm screen recording sometimes like they like pause. So I'm just going to like get rid of all of that part. Now that I have that, I'm going to unmute my main video. And then this is how I do it. So you can't, okay, so as you can tell, you can't really hear the computer typing. Raise that. And then also, like sometimes you might need to like, lower like some of the volume, so and I'm just going to like lower the non-aesthetic copyrighted music. So once you've finished with that, you want to export it here. It really doesn't matter what quality you're going to use, you just need to export this like this. It's going to be like this. Don't mind the background noise. And then once it's like done, it should be in camera. So now if I go to, I guess, pull up this video, I guess. Anyways, now like we have this video. So now I'm just gonna press on add audio extract and that one. And then boom, the audio should just go on any video that you've literally made. And that's how you make an aesthetic audio sound on CapCut. And I just didn't very much explain this enough, but basically it's just you messing around with like the speed and like the volume and like the fade. Just like kind of like mess around with like the sounds and like stuff to like make the sound even more like good. And I don't really have time to like explain all of it in like a very short video because YouTube doesn't upload it on videos, so yeah. But basically you just want to like kind of play with the volume and like just like play around with all those like tools. Like you can also like add voice effects, like now the voice is like deep and low. You can't hear it because the volume is like that. You can play around. So basically if you put like a chill sound, it will like be a lofty sound. It'll sound really good. So yeah, thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.